What up, stream? Oh shit, the camera's on. What up, what up, what up? GG is still pushing to this day. Yes, sir. GG is still pushing.
To this day!
To this day, it's still pushing. So people who try selling GJ, calling tops and bottoms, try buying gold, calling tops and bottoms, came back down, eh? All right, so what up, chat? What up? How you guys doing? Man, the past 3 days, like the Asian session breakdown have just been to the T. Like you can't make these things up, you know? Like we give the Asian session breakdown sometimes before the Asian session, usually before the Asian session. But an Asian breakdown just means like a breakdown for a whole entire day too. So it's like the daily analysis basically. And we've obviously the past 2 days is, you know, it's been played up both about 3 times perfectly. I think we tapped our daily target today too. No, not yet. I think our daily target is more up here at 151,900, but it's pretty much there. And gold as well came down, tapped the daily target as well. Man, you can't make these things up. Follow a trend until it breaks, unless there's a range to a breakout. All right, but moving on here. Do we have news today? We have Euro news 7:45. You have 8:30 a.m. ECB press conference and the bank holiday for the yen. It had a bank holiday yesterday. The yen is closed right now basically, so it wouldn't really affect GJ because the pound's is the only thing moving GJ right now. And the pound's open till 11 a.m. Eastern. All right, so let's see what we have in what we have today. So the weekly. Okay, hold on. Let me just real quick before I change my music. So real quick, I believe the weekly time frame is obviously flipping bullish here. So now you can argue with the fact that, you know what, price has tapped this heavy level of support on a weekly time frame, and then now it's starting to flip bullish. Therefore, I would believe that price may continue up here this week. Now it's looking like it wants to push up towards the 153 mark, I want to say. So it would be actually pretty crazy if we actually close bullish this week. A decent bullish candle too, because next week could potentially be a not good week. But we're obviously bullish for the weekly candle. Day time from, however, closed bullish as well. So if you take a look, what I pointed out yesterday during the Asian session analysis was I pointed out that price tapped the support right here, and then we actually closed. I said it was above this range here, I believe. I said above this range here to the left. So we're breaking back into this range here. I did expect price to come up to fill the range. That range target was like around this area here. So that 152 is my target. 152 100ish, around that range there. Because price is now breaking back into this range, and now that every time we broke back into this range here, we're able to pop up towards this area right here, because this area is a decent resistance level you have here, off of this, off of this, off of this. All right, so that is my target for a day. Obviously, just because it's my target for a day doesn't mean it's gonna stop and reject there. Price may still continue up towards the next level of resistance after it has tapped target. So but yeah, I am still looking for positions here for buys on GJ here. Looking for positions. Let's see what we got here. So I think yesterday had a resistance right here for GJ here, and we obviously broke above. Cool. And then now you have another resistance right around here, I want to say. Boom. Right there, which we just broke above, right? So this now becomes your support now. So if this were to break, or which we did break, obviously, we should be able to tap this area right here. And if that were to break, then you have clean traffic towards the next area of resistance. I think this range right here is of all these 3 ranges here, this is probably the ugliest range of all of them, just because it's not like, the range isn't that big, right? But overall it's still clean. I say this right here is your next resistance here after you were to break above 151.846. So I will be looking for more buys above here. Buys above here, closure. All right, so that is basically what you need for more buys here. But you probably want a closure above the resistance there, probably a 15 minute. I think a 15 minute should be fine here as well. Let me check the 15. Yeah, 15 minutes should be fine here as well. A 15 minute closure above or a 30 minute closure above will both be ideal here for price to drive up. I want something like this. Boom, and then boom. All right, perfect. So let's see. Moving on to gold there. I think gold for the weekly is bearish. Obviously, we're about to break the lows in the weekly time, which is something huge. Daily time frame closed bearish yesterday. It did close bearish at support, but didn't mean it's gonna reject, right? So that's why we don't call tops and bottoms. It closed bearish. Doesn't mean it's gonna reject. Closed bearish at support, indicating that there's a smaller chance of it driving down, but overall it's still bearish. Take those sells. Follow the bearish trend. Boom, boom, boom. Price came down towards tap the target level at 1795-ish, around that target. Tapped it perfect to the T. Looking for more sells today, obviously. If I'm looking for sells today, I'm looking for sells if price were to continue down and break below, I want to say right here, 1792. But this is very choppy. If I'm being honest with you guys here, this is very choppy on gold here. Gold does not look clean at all, because looking like these are all nasty ranges that we're in. Like if price were to break the most recent support, which is at 1792, where's it gonna go? It has this support right here, and then I guess like here, but it's a 20 pip range. Knowing gold has a lot more offer than a 20 pip range, you know. So I believe better sells would be if price were to, I mean, I guess we can mark this up as this for right now, but I believe better sells would be if price were to come down and break below here, below there, coming down towards the next support, which is down here, is probably what you want. So was that Hershey? I mean, is that Carlitos?
Carlitos.
Why is he meowing? But yeah.
My bad.
Nah, I barely heard it, but I heard it. Like, whose cat is that?
My bad.
Yeah, guys. 1791. Things like you can probably take sells below 1791, but you probably want to have runner positions coming down towards 1785, because this range is very tiny. But I believe the cleaner range, the best range is this piece right there. So if you want to miss on this, it's fine. Just be patient and wait around for this instead. But that is basically what I'm looking at today for gold here, right? So gold isn't as clean, but GJ is looking pretty clean.
What do you think about that 30-minute closure on GJ? Above the range?
No, yeah. I woke up and I saw it, and then, I mean, there's that. I didn't take a second entry or another entry or anything, but it was just, I mean, just it closed above the range. It was pretty clean. Did you get in there?
Yeah. I think it was like Monday or Tuesday. The same thing happened, but I missed it because I was like just coming to the stream.
Yeah.
And then this morning I was like, I'm not missing it. So I closed full at 11 pips.
Yeah, there's like nothing wrong with that trade at all. Like 1 hour was clean. Was
super clean.
4 hours breaking the highs. 1 hour's clean. 1 hour's WAP. The 30-minute was clean, close above. 15 was clean. There's like no like issue with that trade at all. Usually we'll have something like, there's a minor resistance there. Nah, that's over clean. And then now you have more buys above 151 here, 850.
Yeah, definitely. It's always like the best feeling catching like a move early like that at like 6:30. You catch a move, it's like,
yep,
awesome. Did you catch anything last night?
Yeah, I sent in a corp call.
I didn't even see. What'd you catch?
100 pip runner.
Something huge. Okay.
Just a little something.
Okay.
Something light.
Would you want to leave it a mystery to everybody? I understand. I'll check corp.
Yeah, so it was interesting.
Interesante.
It was right here, off the 1 hour time frame.
Okay.
It was off the 1 hour, right here.
Nice, bro.
And what it was that so like I gave, it was weird because I gave a signal for it, and then I was gonna go to bed, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna delete the buy signals I gave him. The buy signal I gave him was basically like, once this 1 hour candle closed bullish here, I'll also was the previous candle up for 25 pips, and then TP is up here, right? This is the trade. Boom, boom, boom. The buy stop, if we activated, would have been perfectly fine. But I told him to delete the buy stop because I was going to bed, but I couldn't fall asleep. I then saw the 1 hour starter play happen right around here afterwards, and then I executed position, and yeah, this kind had no bottom wick as well. Like the count that closed bearish had no bottom wick right at that support. So it showed signs that we weren't gonna, high chance we weren't gonna continue down. Entered as we broke the high there for buys going up, and then
that was the 4-hour onion as well, right?
I think that was a 4-hour something. And, yeah, but I don't think I entered an onion. I entered more than 30 and 15. But
Marcos has like this little bit of light shining through on his head. He's like a little angel. Little Forex angel, yeah, there.
Jesus Christ, it's too early for this right now.
You still got something running, right?
I still got a half, yeah.
Nice. So you popped 2 separate big boy lots.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't think I've ever seen you do that.
Now you have last week on gold.
Yeah, you did that last time. We call that the off stream risk.
It was a 10 pip stop. It was a 10 pip stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Damn.
Small stops,
goddamn,
man.
I thought I was having a good morning. Nice, bro.
You are having a good morning, bro. Don't worry. You know, but hey, nothing happened today. Like we're all here at 6:30. Nothing happened. No one caught a trade. No one caught a win. No one caught a loss yet. So new day.
You're up 90 pips right now, by the way.
Yeah, new day today. You know, I think I had a TP. I think I had a TP at the
Yeah.
I believe I had a TP at the daily resistance. 150.
That last position's up 90 pips on a 5.
Damn.
It's quick, you know how it goes. Quick 12K. Something light.
96.
Something light for my boy.
Something light.
Crazy.
I'm gonna close out.
Listen, this chat. He's even saying, you know what he's saying? He's just like, yeah, you know.
It's a new day.
You know, nothing happened.
Well, it's a new day.
90 pips, no closure on a 5 lot. I'll be like, respect my name.
It's a new day. Chat. I just closed my all my positions actually just now. Delete tap my TP basically, but well, I missed it by like a pip or two, but basically it's right here. So nah, chat. Don't say congrats. Something happened today. It's a new day. Like when you wake up, it's a new day. So
W spam in the chat.
Yeah, I'm looking for buys above that range there. Looking for buys above that range. 151 now 2 resistance. Okay, now 2. Yeah, it's fine. I think you have it right here, right? You have it up at 1.5. Yeah, right here. I think I have my resistance more based off of 30-minute time frame, but yeah, that makes a lot of sense as well. Nothing's wrong with that. W.
Now I know why you didn't take that 30-minute closure above. Because you had a 100 pip runner.
I was also brushing my teeth and getting ready.
Okay.
You know, chat. I got shaders. I got shades today. Can't see the haters no more.
Oh, yo, can you throw them on real quick so we can see?
Sure.
Man with the flex. Okay.
I also just got a jacket too. Another one. 2001 jacket, chat. That's like, what the fuck? Why you getting a jacket for 2001? Are you weird? Do you know how many people who have passed in that jacket? Man, I'll show you guys after. Look, so you know, the glasses came in a nice box here. You know, a quick little, nice little saloon box. You know, saloon from Paris. You know, nice box. Inside, what you got is basically this, the case for the glasses. That's to lean on it, you know, the vibes. And then you know, you open up, then have the glasses, just regular shades. You know,
hater blockers.
Yeah, hater blockers.
Put them on.
Imagine where he's on stream, bro.
Okay,
whole stream.
Side profile.
Side profile.
Oh, okay.
Jeez.
Damn, son.
Yes, sir.
Y'all better
Yes,
hide your
sir.
girlfriends.
Yo, where's my sheets, man? Side profile fire.
Side profile.
Yeah, I saw Rocky War. I just got it. Fuck.
Guapo. Guapo in Spanish means handsome.
Nice.
Handsome. Handsome man.
Handsome man.
Hey, you got glasses too, no? You have similar ones I have. Which ones you got?
Yeah, they look like that. They're Gucci.
Okay, some Gucci.
I had Gucci glasses. I just sold them.
What are you gonna get now?
They fell out of my style. I liked them. I used them for years, and then I think they were.
I feel like you're like a Ray-Bans guy. What you about to get now?
Nah, I hate Ray-Bans. I don't like. I don't wear thick frames. I'm a thin frame guy, like an aviator type deal. Kind of want like some Iron Man glasses. I want the ones that he gives to Peter Parker. What do you think, chat?
Ah.
Those are
I don't
fire.
even know those. I gotta look those up. I don't even know what those are.
Yeah, I know what those are.
You gotta look them up.
You know, I want
clear.
I think my Baxter Blues are coming too. Okay, I'm gonna start wearing glasses on stream very soon here because the blue light is getting into my eyes. Trying to mess up my eyes. Okay, GJ is respecting this resistance pretty nicely here. So 15-minute close obviously, and it closed right at that resistance. There's no buys there. There's no buys there, right? But what you can get is the 15-minute start play because the 1 hour time for zone close as well in about 15 minutes as well. So may have some room to go up here. Trying to see though. I think as long as the 1 hour time frame, because it's a bit different, as long as it closes above 151,800, the next hourly should be able to pop up with the 15-minute start play. Let's see. Looking left here. What do you got? Man. Yo, you guys know what I'm excited for the most though? In the future, whenever that were to come, the moment we get sales pushing on GJ, look at all this clean traffic you have now. This is the cleanest traffic of the cleanest you can possibly get on GJ here. So in the future, whenever price were to come down, who knows? Next week, then what? The next month, whenever that time comes, once you can get sales below these ranges here using this as clean traffic down. So there's advantages to missing out on the moves if you couldn't catch any runners yesterday. Now, where would you look for buys on gold here? Buys on gold. I'm not really looking for buys on gold today. I'm looking for sells today. I was bearish today. I'm still bearish even though it's tap target. I'm looking for sells below 1891 and after sells below 1789. Sorry, 1791 at this below 1789. I don't know why I keep saying 1800. Justin Bieber. Can check Discord? I got you. Hopefully it does these moves in a cycle forever. Nah, it won't be a forever, man. GJ will have these weeks, these months, and then it will also have the months where it doesn't move, where it just ranges forever too. Like remember January, February, March, April, plus May actually. Those 4 months, 5 months of just pure slow choppiness. It's gonna go back to that cycle pretty soon. And it's okay. It's completely fine. Do the same shit every day. Do the same shit every day. Yeah, charge the stream. I got you guys real quick. Guys, I slept like 3 times today. Well, yesterday I took a nap after the stream, like after I worked out yesterday, and I went to bed early, took another nap. Man, I had a lot of sleep yesterday, so I'm feeling good today. Breakout and retest. Previous 1 hour resistance. Entry here after the candle close above resistance. The last below previous candle high. Next T. Nice. You're in this trade right now, right? Yep. Bussin'. This shit is bussin', my friend. What's your TP? 152572. 152572 is gonna be around up here. Nice. I see that. Makes a lot of sense. Yep. Ooh, might get some buys here. Go ahead, guys. Above this range here. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes. Looks pretty valid here.
5 minutes. Oh no! What's going on?
Oh no. Looking for buys above 151860. 2 waiting for a candle close above 3. The day time frame is bullish. With that being said, I'm only looking for buys today. To this week has been amazing so far. It has been amazing. I trade every day. You know I was gonna get these weeks where you get a trade every day. So be grateful for them. Amazing shit. Any thoughts, Don? I got you. 1 weekly and daily are both bearish. Looking for sells unless range 2. Breakout 2. 1 hour candle close above or below support. 3, entered on the flip of this candle, put break even at 8 pips and close fully at 12 pips. Nice. Nice, good trade. I think what was this? Gold close below the range. Yeah, this is pretty clean. I'm not really locked into gold today as much, but I do see that. Yep, close below that range there. Looks like it wants to drive down here towards 1791 here. That looks pretty clean. 15-minute starter play right here, or 30-minute starter play right here as we speak. Yep. Nice, good stuff. What is this now? This, my friend, is weekly flip bullish and daily is bullish, looking for buyers only. 1, candle close above resistance. 2, entered on the break of the highs of previous 1 hour candle at 8 pips at close 50%, and put stops at break even, but got stopped out. You got stopped out on this, really? Oh yeah, you did get stopped out. Yep, you got entered over here. That's fine. You tempted runners. You close half. You manage positions. You secure positions. That's all that matters. You got 10 pips there. At the orange chart here. Bullish on GJ from daily. Simple 30-minute closure above the range was a clean RR. Just man down with the sunglasses looking like a new man. Steer girl type of man. 1 30-minute closure above. 2 entry. 3 previous kind of low as stops. That's a good stop. Yeah, this is a perfect trade. It's nothing was wrong with the trade at all. At all. You had to clean wick fill. At that wick fill, it stops to break even. Like, clean. Thanks. Target close fall 11 pips. Boom. Perfecto. How big a stop loss here? Like 14?
13.
13,
yeah,
14?
13, something like that.
Yeah, that's like clean. You didn't see that jacket I got? Where is it? Where's my shit? Oh yeah, strongly sold. Well, I guess you can't show that. I got this. Ooh, fire.
Okay.
CDG home, nothing on the back.
Get ready
I
for
feel like
the
that's
fall.
your style.
She was a rack. Yeah, I got for like a better deal. It also came.
Right? Is it? What's
Part-
the material?
It's like workwear material, like Carhartt probably. Yeah.
Like 1300.
It's also 20 years old.
Is it old?
2001 archive piece.
I didn't know CDG's been out that long.
Well, the CDG home plus, yeah, there's different types of CDGs, Marcos. Like,
Someone said you're a hype beast.
nah, that jacket is CDG home. No,
I should be.
it's not CDG play. All right.
I mean, there's different type of hype beast. I think that's like that's not a bad comment. You got like 10K in jackets. That's kind of hype beasty, right?
I think hype beast means you're wearing what other people, like everyone else is wearing.
Yeah, but
it's
no one has
popular,
this.
and no one has what he's wearing. So like, I feel like it's not hype beast.
Nah, hype beast is more of like this
You buy
dude,
stuff
bro.
when it's popular, when it's hyped. That's like hyped.
This is what
I
hype
feel
beast
like that's
is.
hype to be that expensive.
No.
Well,
I didn't even know what it was.
this is hype beast. This is hype beast. Antisocial. By the way, I had this shirt here in 2014.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I think this is more hype beast. Like this shit. This is
Like the guy with
cringy
the
as
Supreme
hell.
jackets. That's super. That's hype beast.
This is
bro.
yeah. Like,
Yeah, that's hype beast.
this is hype beast. Like this says hype beast on it. The most hype beast outfit.
It literally is the hype beast. He's the
This
hype
is
beast logo.
this is the McLaren trader of McLaren traders. How they be dressing.
Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with it, man.
Nothing
To each
wrong
his
with
own.
it. Each his own. I love Toronto, Ontario. You know the vibes. Nah, but the thing about those jackets, guys, like they're all like the value is already up there. It's like gold pretty much. It's like a safe haven, and the only thing that's not happened to it is gonna go up as long as you keep the condition on it. So like I'm probably gonna sell it in like a couple years anyways. Like I'm not gonna keep it forever, and it's probably gonna be more than it's worth, or maybe the same price, but definitely will not go lower than what it's worth because it's aging like Wagyu steak. Wix now, what's up, man?
Yo, yo.
Yo, what are you here for? You looking for GJ go GJ buys here?
Yeah.
50 to 30 minute starter play? Yes, sir. Looking for the same thing here. Okay. I haven't had to start play in a while. Not gonna lie to you, chat.
I took the same position you did on DJ last night, and right before I went to sleep, I brought my stop loss to the bottom of the 15, and it tipped it and then flew. I lost like 3-4 pips on it instead of making 90.
90.
I literally like 3 minutes. Had I gone to sleep like 3 minutes later and left my stop loss, I'd be waking up right now to 10K.
No bottom wick on that hourly bother you at all, or no?
On which hourly?
The one that you and Don both. I don't know if you guys had the same entry, but
Yeah. So what happened was
he took the celery play that happened a little bit after. I took it when it rebroke the high, when that bearish candle, the celery play rebroke the high and came back down.
So what happened was like the hourly, the previous hourly had no bottom wick, so obviously like no range to continue down. Plus the 4-hour candle had close of no bottom wick as well after creating deep lower wick, then it flipped bullish. So that adds to the confirmation of like the 1 hour closing bullish as support as well, or 1 hour starter play as well coming up. 1 hour onion.
Nice.
But yeah, like the 1 hour plus 4 had both closed no bottom wick there.
You see, go back to the 1 hour.
Back to the 1 hour. Yeah.
Like I entered on this green candle right there. See it? Because it closed and then it rebroke its high. On the 30-minute it closed, and then the next 30 rebroke that high barely, and then drove down. And then when that next red candle closed, that's where I put my stop loss, and it tipped it maybe by like 0.2 of a pip.
That's the buy stop I gave. I think I deleted it because I was gonna go to bed. I was hoping I was gonna go to bed. Yeah, I was gonna.
I took the short on gold, and this buy on GJ, and they both got stopped out by like 0.2 of a pip.
Damn.
Yeah. And then they both ran for like 100 pips.
Logan White. I just made that jacket just now, so you're not the only one who's got one. We both do now, the two of us. Just the two of us. Don't have to violate people, that's all love. And trade taken? Trades taken? Not yet. Took one last night, but that didn't count, right? No trades on stream just yet. I was looking for a potential 15-minute starter play here. On this 15-minute candle here. Let me look at a 1 hour again here real quick, because I kind of wanted the 1 hour to like not exactly close above 151, but as long as it closed above this resistance, which I don't think it did. Yeah, it closed right at that resistance there. That's why I wanted to close above. 30 close below. Let's see. If you get a 15-minute closure above, I would look for buys, but I don't think I'm gonna take the starter play here due to the fact that the 1 hour is respecting that heavy resistance. So 15-minute closure above is what I need here for me to look at potential entries. All right.
Or if we get an onion.
Yeah. Any buy stops placed? No buy stops placed there. By the way, we're almost at 3.6 followers. 3.6k followers on Instagram.
If you look, like the perfect entry was right when you start the stream.
What, 6:30? Yeah, but I wasn't even like on I don't think I was even on a chart. Andre caught that. That's a perfect entry.
Somebody caught it.
Andre did.
Yeah, I caught it.
Perfect ass entry.
Yeah, that's ideal. I think this happened this week already when we had like a 6:30 entry, same way. I think yesterday. Or the day before.
I literally said that same thing. I missed it earlier in the week, Wix 9, and then when I came on like at like 6:20. Saw it, setting up. I was like, I'm not missing it. I'm taking it.
Yeah, learning.
Yeah. The Jamaican accent. Yeah, learning.
Yeah. That's beautiful. So you don't gotta worry about shit now. Like 6:30, you got your
yeah, he's chilling.
Still got
chilling. I mean, I got nothing that happened today.
I got you.
You know, nothing happened to it, chat. No one caught positions. Andre didn't catch anything. I didn't catch anything. It's a brand new day, so sure he has that.
Every hour is a brand new day.
Yeah, every hour is a brand new day. Nothing happened. No positions taken. Nothing. Still looking for positions here. Staying very disappointed. On TikTok. Damn, 5 people on TikTok watching. What's up? How you guys doing? I feel like I never answer you guys' questions. Any trades? Any deals? No deals. No deals, sir.
See you later, TikTok.
Deals.
Wow. Ali 786-176. Nice. What's up? Azzer1. What up? Marcos Moves joins. What up? Tech Trend. What up? All right, back to YouTube.
Down bad.
I think gold sells bad on a current candle break its own lows. The 1 hour looks pretty clean here. It looks like it wants to drive down here towards the support. If you look at it, looking left there, we actually closed below support, and then now it looks like price wants to drive down to fill this range here. So I would expect price to continue down here. Yeah, it's pretty solid entries there. You can look to enter sells, or if you're looking for sells here as you come down to break this low here. This is your stop loss probably. The previous 1 hour kind of high for a TP that's at 1791 here. That's pretty clean. How's 4 look? Yeah, 4 is clean too. 4 close. If you look at the 4 hour time frame as well, the 4 actually closed below the support here to the left. So yeah, support here. Price closed below. Looks like it wants to drive down to fill that wick there and potentially come down here towards the 1792 mark. So which matches perfectly with the 1 hour time frame support. So I'll put if you're entering sells here, I'll say sells after we break the lows here, and boom, that'd be pretty valid. You trading YC? Yesterday we did. Yesterday we traded until 10 a.m. I think it was, right? This is gonna be a good day, chat. You have Kanye's album coming out tonight. You have Kanye's little listening party in Atlanta, Georgia. That's gonna be on live stream on Apple Music. That's pretty cool. Looking forward to that tonight. Pretty excited. Sounds like he uses
any artists you follow have a Discord?
Yeah. So I'm in
artists.
A bunch of Discords for artists. I'm in Lil Yachty, Lil Tecca, A$AP Rocky, Lil Z, Kanye, Cardi. But these guys are toxic, man. Like, if you're not a Cardi stan, you can't talk in this chat. If you have to be 100% Cardi stan, like, it's crazy. Yeah, they're look. Someone said a song by Justin Bieber trash because it's a Bieber song. This is a Cardi Discord server. Toxic. Yeah. Oh yeah, they got their own servers. Yeah. I think they made one recently. Some have been around for a while, but Discord's been popping off. I think everyone should have a Discord by now, or everyone's gonna have a Discord eventually.
How many people do we have on our Discord?
I think 1.7, 1.6.
1.7? Ooh, coming to 2K.
1.63. Yeah, almost at 2K. That's crazy. If you guys haven't done this yet, go join a Discord server. And by the way, when you join the Discord server, I want you guys to do the intros. Do your intros for the intro for once you join. People get to know you and stuff. Your name.
My nephew just joined.
Your nephew?
Yeah, he's like 13.
Really? Can he even trade?
Yeah.
Is it legal?
I don't know. Yeah.
Earmuffs, nephew. Earmuffs.
Earmuffs. Earmuffs, nephew.
He's like 13.
Cover your ears.
He's all right.
Is that how you tell your daughters looks like?
Yeah, I tell them earmuffs. And then I'd be like, what the fuck?
And they cover their ears?
Yeah, they play around. They're like, oh, Dad, you said a bad word. And then they hear a song. They're like, you see, the song has a bad word that you said.
Yeah, that's funny.
And then she's mad funny. She sing, like, my oldest one, like, you know that song Astronaut in the Ocean? And they got
What
the
you
word
going
shit
down? Yeah.
Yeah, and they got the word shit in it. And it's mad funny. I went into their, like, little camp, and they had that song playing. I just wanted to see what they would say. during that word. It's mad funny. All the kids like stop, look around at each other to see if there's adults in the room, and then they're like, ship. Like everyone's doing different things.
Ship.
And they're all mad funny. They're all like, look, when that part comes on, everyone's like looking around to see if any adults are next to them. Can they sing this or no? I remember myself when I was that little. I was ratchet. I was bad. That's why God gave me three daughters, just to punish me.
You wanted a son, right?
I don't know, but like after the second or the third try, yeah, you're kind of like, God, can we get a boy?
Can you get a boy?
Like I don't want to try again and then end up having twins, and they're both gonna be girls. And
Oh yeah, 5 daughters.
like, yeah, I knew somebody that has he's got 6 daughters and a son, and he had like the first 3 daughters, and he was like, you know, we want more, and they ended up having twins, and it was 2 girls. And then he was like, nah, you know what? At this point, I'm not stopping till we get a boy. So they had another daughter after that at 6, and then they had a boy. It's like I can't afford that. I'm gonna need GJ to be open for an extra session. At that point, I'm gonna need to trade like 3 to 5.
3 to 5 sessions instead. What am I doing here?
Looking for this GJ onion.
Yeah, so yeah, I feel like we're gonna move at around like 7:30, like 8 a.m. ish. I'll say more of 8 a.m. I'm pushing more towards the 8 a.m. opening just because like this hourly, the way it closed, yeah, not looking as clean, chat. So it's very important to wait for a closure above here, right? Buys above here, closure. I put that there for a reason. GJ gold hasn't really broken the lows yet. Are you looking for sells here, Andre, on gold? Or what's your plan for this? These sells aren't bad, but I'm just so locked into GJ that I'm not gonna trade gold today. Gold's just not as clean to me.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade gold either. I actually got an hourly resistance too that lines up with where we're currently at. So the daily already met our target. I think opportunity is just like let this daily close and see where price wants to push.
Yep.
There's a hourly resistance right around like 1794.95. There's another one at 1794.17. It's just kind of choppy.
Yeah. Yep. Below 1791 or 1789 is not bad, but that's like miles away, especially with the way gold's moving right now. Slow poke, turtle trading right now. So it'll be a while before we actually get towards the 1789 mark.
Got some trolls today.
I don't see no trolls. I got my things on.
Oh, my man's got the shade. Okay.
I get the intros. Marcos, where are my Baxter blue glasses? My blue light glasses, man.
I don't know.
Marcos.
Canadians are weird. You got all types of rules.
Yeah.
Regulations.
You guys not pay for duties?
To you.
What'd you say?
Oh, it just got to Ontario actually. Thank you, Marcos. Thanks for that low.
You're welcome.
Nice
I called
push.
the market maker.
Nice. No, do you guys have to pay duties when things come from like outside of the US?
You know, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know what that is, so I doubt it.
No, right, Andre? No. Like, do you ever buy stuff from like Australia or like UK? Do you guys charge duty fees?
Nah.
No.
I was
We're
like, you said
America.
the word
We do whatever the
duties.
fuck we want.
No, we get charged. We just don't, you get charged all those fees. You just don't know about it.
No, but like you get charged like
Maybe.
once it arrives. Like you have to pay at the door before you receive it.
Nah.
No, Canada.
If they did
Only
that shit,
if-
I would laugh in their face, bro.
Only if the declared value for it is like a decent, like over like, whatever. I don't know how much it is, but $100, whatever it is.
Hold on. So the mailman shows up and he asks for money too?
Yes, if it comes from like the US. Yeah.
What?
Dude, they'll charge you out. They'll
tip the
give
Amazon
them a
guy.
card. They're like, oh, you have a duty
Are you
fee
kidding
of
me?
like
I'd be
$35
like, Here,
here.
talk to my pit bull. Tell him how much you need.
Yo.
They were tipping the mailman. It's weird.
That's crazy. The mailman?
The mailman. No, not the mailman. The UPS driver or whatever. The Canada Post driver.
UPS. You know what UPS stands for? You piece of shit. Because these guys are never on time. Never on time. Big Brown.
Oh my god, bro. Wixnine came with the fire today. Wixnine came in today. Wixnine, you wearing Air Forces right now?
No,
Black Air Force.
Black Air Forces or what?
But I have, yo, that's so funny. I have like 3 or 4 boxes of black Air Forces high tops unopened.
High toss. Oh my god, that's even worse.
Yeah, with the
Ankle socks, right? Ankle socks. Yup.
Yes, sir.
Ankle socks, basketball shorts in the pit bull with the chain collar.
Did we hang out together when I was growing up? We definitely hung out.
I was, bro. You never mess with someone with high tops with ankle socks, ball shorts, and a pit bull, bro. Nah, I'm walking.
Ball shorts and a pit
I'll be
bull.
on the other sidewalk.
Wixnine be working at the gym with black Air Forces on.
Yeah. Every time I can't go to the gym because with normal sneakers on, every time it's like somebody starting a 15-minute conversation. It's like, oh, those are fire. Where'd you get those? What are those? And I'd be like, yeah, I'd be like, yo, I got this little factory in Vietnam where I got these little 12-year-olds stitching these up if you want.
Jesus.
That's how you get people to stop talking to you in the gym.
Ruthless. Sounds like duty fee is probably including the shipping already. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, Andre, how much did you get? Well, no, we did shipping together actually. So when you shipped me the hoodie, it was like $25, right? From the States.
30.
Yeah. There's no shot duty fees were included because I got paid $35.
When I marked the item I marked the item like you have to mark the item as like some monetary value, and I marked it as $1. Right, so you can't just say that it's worth 0. You have to put something. So I put $1, and they still charged y'all.
Oh, sometimes you can ship it as a gift and put no declared value.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
No. You have
You know what's weird?
You have to at least through where I went, and the other place where they're like, if you go to the other, like instead of using UPS, you use USPS. Like the difference between the two, it could take like up to like 3 weeks. So it's like wait 3 weeks for a hoodie, or wait like 7 days.
Oh, because that's why probably why shipping is so expensive. Because
how much did you pay
Express.
for duties to receive the hoodie?
Bro, $35, which is fine. I could pay $35.
$35 to
Yes.
receive a damn.
But at the end of the day, that's like a 70% of the hoodie's cost.
That's another.
Matter of fact, me and Tyler both paid $35 for the hoodie from Canada.
What?
It's weird because some items don't get charged duties from the States for me. Like I bought tons of shit and some of them don't get even charged, but it's so weird how it works.
Depends if the company has an office in Canada or not. So like if it's like a company, if they're shipping from US, but
Right.
they have like a Canadian office or a store somewhere, I don't think you get charged because they're like a Canadian company at that point. They do business in Canada.
Yeah, right. Because I got something from I got the glasses from Australian Post from Australia, and I got charged duties. Yeah,
They're
Maybe
scamming
right,
your
maybe
ass,
right.
for sure.
Definitely scamming.
What kind of glasses you got? For the blue light?
Yeah, these are Baxter Blues.
Well, the big ones. So anything for blue light, that's that big shit.
Yeah.
Look like a Power Ranger.
It's that big shit.
No, they're the same frames. Actually a bit smaller than my shades.
Can you rock them outside?
Yeah, but I don't think
Wear
I'm
them out
gonna.
sometimes.
I don't think I'm gonna wear
Just 'cause
glasses.
I'm on my phone 24/7.
Yeah, but you can't really justify it unless you're in Times Square. In Times Square, you'd be like, yo, there's blue light. But over here, you're just like, fuck. You look like Ray Charles, dog.
Yo.
Yo, move your
my-
head side to side like Stevie Wonder, dog. Like this.
Honestly, these work with blue light too, no?
No.
Yo, Don's gonna steal somebody's shorty right now. Get your girls off the damn stream.
Yo, imagine come to the church. This is the market maker. Market maker's deep ass voice with some shades on. No, I got Baxter Blues chat. Not Gunners are pretty decent. Yeah. I mean, I got referred from Marco, so hopefully he set me the right path. All right.
You can pay
Use
for
the
those, so you
cat.
just showed him one of your open trades, one of your runners.
Pardon?
Do you even pay for those, or you just like show the store your runner?
I should start my
Like, look,
runner.
I got this.
What is nice runner here? What is this? This is ooh, charts here. Looking for a bullish close at support, big booty onion, 2 potential targets, buys above with the closure, yes. 3, oh yeah, I think an onion play would be valid here too. Yeah, that's a good idea. If we're able to create support here and then close bullish to continue up on a 15-minute time frame, that'd be perfect. Questions for Don. I have been testing starter plays recently. I have found they are more profitable when you get a closure above a resistance than the starter play. Wait, I found out that they are more profitable when you get a closure above resistance than the starter play. So are you talking about like a starter play once you get a closure above, or are you just talking about closure above in general is more profitable than a starter play? Did you find the same thing, or do you just take them at resistance as well? So I haven't been taking them in a while. I'm not gonna lie, I do prefer closure above, and I found out recently as well. Yes, like I did find out that recently they are more valid if you were to get a closure above and then get the starter play going up. But the thing is, like, the whole point of the starter play was more of, it's more of an anticipation that we're gonna drive up as you break those highs at that resistance with volume. So I don't know. I haven't been taking a starter play for like maybe 2.5 months, maybe 2 months. There just hasn't been any for me, at least. But they're still valid. But yeah, I think a closure above plus a starter play is a lot more valid, or maybe a starter play at the support to go up to retest the highs is pretty valid as well. For instance, the one right here, or even like the one over here, right? At that support to go up to retest the highs and then continue up. But yeah, I think that's pretty valid. I believe it's pretty valid. I think today a lot of traders won. The McLaren traders won as well. McLaren traders got entries in on like the 38.2 retracement, whatever this is, and then they got the wick entry, and we got the buys at the support after we closed bullish going up. I think everyone won today. McLaren and, you know, bank traders and price action traders. Marcos had a good idea yesterday. I'm gonna put it up actually. Where is it? Text. Can someone in the chat, if one of you guys could go back in July streams and check out what our streak is in July, what our winning streak is in July so far. I think it's 10, but I'm not exactly sure. Winning streak. Ten. Stream 10. All right, gonna make this arcade. Oh, arcade rounded. Where can I put this?
I'll slide over the trades taken to the left, trades called to the left. Then you should do weekly stats or not weekly stats. Your weekly record and streak.
No, I'll make it green. I'll make it very
Put
small.
it right in the middle. Right in the middle.
Yeah, see that? Is that small? That's not small, right? That's pretty decent.
You should have it the same size as trades taken.
Yeah, I don't think it's that important. Or not a lot of people care. I'll put it there for now.
It's all about marketing. Ask Marcos.
Marketing,
Marcos,
eh?
where does it go?
Yeah, Marcos, where does it go? I should make it this big, right?
Let me peek.
I say you put it exactly right in the middle of the
Nah,
screen.
put that shit in the bottom right.
Bottom right.
Make it 2 lines too. It's too long. Winning streak and then space and then enter on stream. Feel me?
I feel you. You feel me? Winning streak on stream 10. So right here.
There you go.
Bottom left.
Perfecto. Bottom right.
I don't have space. Actually, I do have space.
There's way more space on the right. You fucking-
All right. Cool.
There you go. Perfect.
I don't know if it's 10. I think it's 9. It's like current streak 3. No, it's more than 3.
It's either 9 or 10. I'm pretty sure it's 10 though. We're gonna give you the benefit of the doubt.
10,
I'm
yeah,
pretty sure it's
10
10 in July.
Looks better.
Well, it dates back to like June, so.
It's like 11 or 10, 11, 12 or something. Nah, it doesn't date back to June because we took a loss end of June. Remember that 2 losses we took in a week, on that Thursday and Friday, and then move on to July, and then we haven't lost
That was
since.
July. That's 1st and 2nd of July, isn't it?
No, that was June. Thursday and Friday.
Yo, eventually you should get it animated like some sort of like fire logo that automatically changes. That'd be sick. Or like that changes with like an animation. You know how they have like the, what is it, the sub trains?
Oh, sub-trans.
Yeah, you could have that, but like it's like some sort of like fire animation with the wind streak. That'd be sick.
Yo, do you know how many members Valkyrie has on Valkyrie has on 100 Thieves for their members?
Too many.
Like
20, 50K.
Okay, so it's like
members?
Twitch. It's compatible with Twitch.
How many
These are paid members?
Yeah, they're paid. $5 a month.
Fuck.
But like the streams are free for them still. But like it's just like an extra. If you get like extra stickers and stuff, and people really care about that stuff, especially the badges next to their names to know how long you've been here for, or at least to know how loyal you are.
Not to mention the multi-million-dollar contract to even be on YouTube.
Yeah, that
instead
too.
of Twitch.
How does that happen? YouTube reaches out to you once you're at like 100 million followers or something.
Yeah, they're only like the biggest of the biggest creators. They'll like pay you to basically leave Twitch.
And yeah, like Courage, that guy got paid because he left Twitch. He got paid probably like millions of millions.
And it worked. It worked too because they got Valkyrie before she was even that big. She was doing like 20K, and now she's doing like 100K viewers sometimes.
Really?
$5 a month with 100K viewers.
She has like consistent 60, 70K viewer streams. It's crazy. Like Nick Merck's level.
That's over Nick Merck's level. If Nick Merckx were going on Twitch, he'll get like less than that probably because he's Twitch guy.
Yeah.
It's gonna on stream July 1st. Was it the last one though? Damn, July 1st. Oh, you were right then, Wickstein. July 1st and Thursday.
You said Thursday, Friday, right?
Yeah, that was right. Those 2 days. Oh, I guess we're just on a winning streak then, not really undefeated for July.
Thursday, Friday is the 1st and 2nd. That's why I said that.
I'm waiting about the entry on position 1 hour time frame when the price flip on GJ. 1 hour time frame. So the thing about this flip here on the flip of GJ here is like even if you were to flip here, you're still at that resistance on the hourly time frame. I'll say I'll preferably wait for. I want this outer closer, but we have 30 minutes left. We haven't broken the lows yet. If we can close a bullish on the hourly time frame above this range, that'd be perfect for us. But I mean, a flip. Yeah, I think a closure above would be a lot more valid here. A lot more valid.
I don't mind getting the fake out down to go up.
Or the 15-minute onion. I also have that 1 hour support. It's pretty clean. Yeah, if it go down and go up as well, that's scenario number 3. That can happen.
You can also have the celery plate to go up here if the next 30 breaks.
Yep. So you have 3 scenarios here, chat. You have the first scenario, which is being like we get a 1 hour closure above the range here like this. All right, so if you guys want to record this, you guys can. But closure above the range to continue up towards the next resistance is scenario number 1. All right. Scenario number 2, something else I could play out here, is you go into 15-minute time frame. You get the onion booty, which is a closure as support here. Confirm as support form at the bottom of the range to continue back up to retest the highs and then continue up as you close above later on. Right, so you have another entry over here and another entry over here potentially. So this is setup number 2, scenario number 2. Scenario number 3 is basically the fake out that Wickstein just mentioned. So let's say we close below the range here, right? The fake out price goes below the range in a range 1 breakout. Price is bullish today. There's no sells unless you get a range 2 breakout. You then come back into the range. You get a closure back inside the range, indicating that we're breaking above that resistance again. This therefore being a fake out, and then we'll take buys going up like this. That is scenario number 3 for price to drive up today as we are bullish.
This is what I'd really want to happen because that way it'll grab all those orders and
decent stops too. But yeah, it looks like we might get it here. I think 15 close below, right? 30 minute close below the range. So if we get a closure back inside here, that'd be perfect for these buys here. Perfecto. Yeah, you need a closure now, and then we should be goody. Do you think Forex is real? I think Forex has been happening around the world for centuries, decades, years, lifetime. Forex is just foreign exchange. When you travel, you have different currencies, right? You don't just have, the world will never, well, I don't want to say never, but I don't think we'll ever get one currency for the whole world. Until then trading will forever be a thing. Or Forex will forever be a thing.
Read the Candlestick Bible. Talks about a guy from like, I don't know, from like 2nd century BC or whatever, doing Forex.
Yikes. That's a long time. I wonder if
was a trader, like not a trader, but like, you know, people barter and go to different regions and sell different things and like.
How did you oh, you travel and shit, right? You gotta take the yeah,
and you figure out how like the flow of markets.
That's cool.
Over time instead of instantly on the computer.
Yeah. That's definitely an experience. That's definitely cool. A lot more work. I wonder how they executed positions back in the days. Do you guys know? Like back in the days before trading on your PC was a thing. Like how did they market execute? You gotta call a broker or something? I want to buy here.
MT1.
MT1. If gold closes above 17,898, we'll continue bullish. Be careful because that is a range 1 breakout on a bearish day today. But yeah, day is tapping that daily level of support. But keep in mind, I'm still bearish today, looking for sells below 1789. So just be very cautious of taking buys in this range here. But I think range 2 buys, which is above, I want to say, let's say you have a resistance here, right? Because that's where your buys are. Is there support? If you get a closure above like this, I'm not going to take my buys because that's a range 1 breakout, which means that we have a high chance to be faked out on. I'll take, however, if price were to come down, create a support, or sorry, come up again, close bullish again, and then come down to create resistance right here at resistance, confirm our resistance, and then come down, create that support. This would now be a new range here because now you have support, resistance equals range 1, and then you have another support and resistance, which equals range 2. So I'll look for buys now once you break above that range like this. Once you close above for a range 2 breakout to anticipate price pushing up here towards the 1803, 1804 mark. But that's what I am looking for in this case.
Let me correct myself. It wasn't from the 2nd century BC. It was from like 1700s. 1724. It was like it was a rice salesman.
Oh, 50 minutes. Sorry, play it. Wixon. Sorry. 50 minutes.
It's happening.
Yeah, happening right now.
I'll wait for a closure.
I want our closure too here. Yeah. 1 hour starting to reject that support here. 50 minutes start play. High chance price may continue up here to retest the highs as it's bouncing off that 1 hour support, which never broke the lows. Never broke the lows, chat. So high chance we have for price to continue up here as we're still bullish here. So we may potentially miss the move if you wait for the 50-minute closure, but that's completely fine with me. Also, it's a 50-minute fake out plus a 30-minute fake out as well once you close. So perfect scenario.
There's going to be a couple of opportunities here to buy if it's truly bullish, and if it truly goes up with volume, we have buys here at support and buys above the range.
Sounds like someone called me up for it. Someone has a booty on your name. We have Chabella. We have, what else do we have? We need a seller replay.
That's amazing. Someone changed their name to Onion Booty.
If someone can get the name seller replay and then put the profile picture as a celery, that's a W.
That'd be cool. Yeah, that would be cool.
We should name all the mods after something. Something that we say. Chabella, Chalked. We have Chalk too. Can you be honest and tell me if this is the right channel to learn about Forex, or is this a bit advanced for someone who is starting off? I think this is both. It's like you gotta know the basic concepts, like what is Forex, how to enter positions, how to like manage your MT4, MT5 positions, what like, you know, how the currencies work. You gotta know the basic stuff first, but then strategy wise, you can come here for the strategy wise. That's pretty self-explanatory after. If you stay on for at least minimum 1 or 2 months every day. Ooh, 15-minute
More.
start play pushing up here. More? Yeah, potentially more. Depends on how fast you are as a learner.
Just need to speak the language. You gotta speak, like, you know, you can't come into like a place where you have no idea what the terms are, you know.
Yeah, Jonathan, like
Once you know
I
all the
say,
terminology.
go on baby pips here, and then finish like, go on education, obviously. Go on how to FOREX. Finish like preschool, preschool, and then this FOREX outline, and then maybe poor resistance levels. Oh, actually, you don't need that. You're not here. But yeah, finish preschool and kindergarten. That's it, and then come to the streams. That's basically all you need.
Buy the course.
Or you can just purchase the course if you know. I ain't do a promo like that, but these guys do it for me. Yeah, controlfx.com course is right here if you want to have a more structured learning process from start to finish. It's a lot of shit, a lot of content. 8 minutes left. This is a long 8 minutes here. What I'm gonna do with this position as well. So it is the last 15 minutes of the hourly candle, but if I enter a position on this 15-minute candle here, I'm going to manage risk by waiting for the 1 hour close. So if the 1 hour close is bearish below the support here at 151, 637, I will close the positions off once the 15-minute closes and I enter. However, if the 15 pushes up, then obviously we'll be in profit and it'll be break even, whatever it is. We'll close half, right? But I'm looking to enter position once this 15 closes bullish at the support here. To continue up here as we're starting to reject that support on the hourly time frame. Plus, we're bullish for a day. How big is this range here?
You're gonna use 30 stops?
16 pit range. 30 stops? Yeah, 30 stops aren't bad too. Here's 1 hour low. Current 1 hour low, sorry. Yeah. But this is a long time in here, and chances of us surviving this, like surviving getting an entry, is very low. I do believe we might miss this position there, but it's fine. Yeah, how we convert money across countries. Yeah. Is that one-time payment for the course? Love entering with you guys, but would love to be able to call my own trades also. Yeah, it's a one-time payment, and you also get like updates every year, I'll say. So you got an update last year and got a huge update this year. Basically just a renew of the course without any extra charges. News in 7 minutes. What news do you have? 8:30. Yeah, unemployment. Oh, unemployment claims. I didn't see this. Okay. They're expecting actual less than forecast is good for currency. Also, they're expecting good numbers here. Nice. Good numbers they're expecting on gold here. Therefore, gold should continue down as we're bearish today. But we're not trading news, so we're also not really trading gold today as much. Surprisingly.
If the unemployment comes out and pushes gold down, right? It comes out good for the dollar and pushes it down. The weekly lows will be a seller play. They're pretty close to happening at the moment. Probably like, I don't know, 10 pips away from breaking the weekly lows.
Yeah. You looking for sell positions?
Nah, I mean, if the weekly lows get broken for a seller play coming down, I think that like Marcos and I have been talking about like those big higher time frame seller plays push a lot of volume in.
Yeah.
So I think that it may set up some opportunities for sells, but obviously, we'll wait for news to come out, the volume to come in, die down a little bit, and like let the momentum carry out a normal position that we would normally take.
Yep. That we would normally do and take. Same plan. I want to ask chat, a lot of you guys, like, I know a lot of you guys been here for a while, but a lot of the new guys, how many times have you switched your strategy within the last 6 months? Or your trading style, at least? How do we identify fake out? Range 1, range 2 breakout. You follow the trend unless it's a range 2 breakout. That's the only time you go against the trend. Don't come to your charts having buys above here and sells below here. Right? Stick to one bias for a day, which is usually the daily bias. I smell something like bacon breakfast. It's kind of good. Somebody making good breakfast. Countless times, like 2 times, 1 time. Damn. 4 times? What is it? 1 strategy a month? More times than a hit from the back. Damn, son. Got some sun.
You need to get out more.
Do I need to go outside more? Twice, yo. Sticking with this one. Onion blues fat. Started sellers healthy. Let's go. During my first year, maybe 3 to 4. Switching strategies had me running in circles for 3 years. Don't do it. I think every strategy works at the end of the day. You gotta put in the time and like understand the meanings behind everything that you do. No, like not a lot of mentors teach that as well. Not a lot of mentors teach you the in and outs of every single little detail within their strategy. They just say, oh, support resistance here. This is a Fibonacci. This is a whatever zone here. Boom, 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 and that's it. Put on your chart and you'll make money. But there's no like meaning behind it. There's no like, what does this mean? What does it mean if this happens? What it means if this happens? So that's why I feel like, you know, the industry is lacking. But switch mind loads since I first started learning about forex at the start of COVID. Nice. When it hits stop loss, immediately trade opposite. Damn, I used to do that as well. My first months actually. I think I'm looking for the same thing, but I want a closure above 151 on this 15-year 686. Oh no. A lot of people just bought now. Once you put that there, don't put that there. A lot of people in chat are just buying positions.
I'm gonna wait for a break of this high. I need this to close strong bullish. It can't close doji though.
It has to close like this for me.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna take the break of that high because there would be like a pip for that wick.
Yeah. Oh, reflipping here. Nice. Whatever, might not even pop up. 17 minutes left. That's a lot of time.
This is good, Chad. This is good. This is good news.
How was your first 2 years of trading, Don? My first year of trading was like decent. Wasn't like bad, but my second year was my best. My second year was the start of like clean years, like super clean years. And then my third year was obviously like right now. Like this third year has been a blessing so far. It's been my best year yet. Been evolving ever since, right? Damn, I'm on to year 4 next year. That's a long time trading FX. How do you make these how do you make these candlesticks on your drawings? I use zoom annotations. Who y'all got on the weekend? I think Corey gets it done. What are you guys talking about? Boxing? Fighting? Trading management, nobody teaches like Don. W in effect.
You see the previous 15 held that support. This one's about to break it. We might retest the low of this next range. But we could still get that same setup to go back up. Yeah,
on a 30-minute time frame, right?
Yeah.
Later on, yeah, the 8 a.m. Yeah, but chat, with us flipping bearish here, rebreaking lows, looks like prices will drive down towards 151.391, but there are no buys for me here. I'm not looking for buys. I'm not interested in buys here. Sells here. I'm not interested in sells here. There's no sells here for me because it is still a range 1 breakout. Plus, I'm bullish for a day, so. Did you slowly work your way up from small lots to the lots you are trading now, or did you start with large capital? I worked from small lots, 100%. Last year I was popping 5s and 8s. This year I'm popping 10s and 5s. 5 for gold, 10 for GJ. Next year I'm gonna look to pop potentially 20s on GJ and 10s on gold. but I'm increasing losses once a year only. All right, that's been my plan. It's been a whole year of 1 lot size, and next year look to increase. Ooh, there's no sells, right? Price flip bullish after. No, a lot of people took impulse sells there. I know for a fact. Don't lie to me, chat.
This is even better. I like the fact that it faked out better than it just had held the support. Just look at that nice long liquidity wick.
But 15 minutes still close bearish. You can still flip here. It didn't break the highs. It must break this high here for it to be valid. Yeah. Yeah. This hourly kind of closes in about 14 minutes here. If we close below the range here, it'll determine that we may have a chance to continue down. But if it closes respecting above that range there, we can look for buys on the first 15-minute closure of the ADM opening. So plenty of opportunities to just be patient. Do you start with what level less than 1 lot? Yeah, of course. I blew accounts of less than 1 lots. A lot of accounts, plenty of accounts. I didn't just overnight just, you know, learn everything in 1 day. I went through a lot of strategies too. A lot of blown accounts. I went through 20 blown accounts, which you guys can hear about in my Trade Nut podcast a couple months ago. Honestly, if it wasn't for Trade Nut put me on they put me on like a little spotlight, and I got like a huge different group of followings from it.
A lot of people in the space that weren't aware of you became aware of you through trading that.
Yeah. Yeah.
All exposure is good exposure.
Yep. Well, long term, the toxic exposure isn't the great exposure. The the forex trader ones. That ain't great.
I don't know. You know how many, I guarantee you, there's so many people that came here just because somebody else was talking shit about you, and then they came in here and they were like, "Oh, this guy knows what he's saying." I've seen a bunch of people like that in the chat. Marco
was found through Trade Nut. That's pretty crazy.
It's funny because I listened to like 2 episodes my whole life.
Why'd you click on my name?
I just was like on a run, and I was like, "Oh look, podcast." I typed in Forex.
By the way, chat. What's it called? Picture FX. What's it called?
See, look at the chat. I was right. A bunch of people heard somebody else talk shit about you and came here and they were like, "Yo, this guy's legit."
1, 2, 3. We had 3 videos. Wow, I didn't even know we had 3 videos. What? Star Play has 10K views. This has 12K. These aren't even that bad.
Star Replay is a good one.
Oh wow! Look at the 15-minute Star Replay. Speaking of the Star Replay, wow, Gucci's pushing up here. Oh, there it goes. Nice. So, wow, 1 hour never broke the lows, chat. 1 hour never broke the lows. Boom, boom, boom. Flipping bullish shit. Looks like price wants to drive up here now. No impulse entries. This is why we don't take them. This is why we also stick with the daily trend as well, unless it's a range 2 breakout. 2 snares that you would have avoided to a T. Found me on IG. Oh, IG's been helping too. We've been growing on IG very nicely. We started a year of like 1K followers or something. Be crazy. Can we get a 30-minute Star Replay? That'd be a chair on top. There's no positions here for me yet. We have 11 minutes left for a closure here. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour closes and execute positions after we close here. With the ADM opening.
0 news just now.
30-minute Star Replay has been 30-minute Star Replay just happened. Broken the highs.